adventurers. Ready to explore what happens when you're traveling in an airplane? After your boarding pass is scanned at the gate, you'll walk down a special hallway called the jet bridge. It's a tunnel that connects the airport to the airplane. When you step on the plane, a friendly flight attendant will greet you. They might help you find your seat. Your boarding pass shows your seat number, like 12A or 24F. The numbers are the rows, and the letters are the seats. When you find your row, you will put your carry-on in the overhead bin. That's the big compartment above your seats. You might have to have a grown-up help you with this part. Your smaller items, like your backpack, go under the seat in front of you. Before takeoff, the flight attendants do a safety demonstration. Buckle up! Every seat has a seatbelt, just like in a car. A flight attendant will show everyone how to fasten them. You have to keep your seatbelt on when the airplane takes off, when it lands, and when the captain or flight attendants tell you to. One of their most important jobs is to make sure everyone on the plane stays safe. They'll show you where the exits are and what to do in an emergency. It's very important to watch, even if you've flown before. When the plane starts moving, you might feel it pushing back, then rolling to the runway. The engines will get louder as the plane starts to go faster. That's normal. And then, whoosh! Up you go! This is my favorite part. You'll have to stay in your seat with your seatbelt fastened until the captain turns the seatbelt sign off. Once the plane gets into the sky and you get settled into your seat, you will see the seat in front of you has a tray built into it. You can use it like a tiny desk. It's very cute and kind of cool. Depending on how long the flight is, you might get snacks, drinks, or even a full meal. The flight attendant stops at every seat with a tall, skinny food and drink cart designed to fit down the aisle. On some planes, you can watch movies on a screen built into the seat in front of you. You can watch things on your own device, draw, write, color, or look out the window at the clouds. It's very beautiful. The flight attendants are there to help if you need anything at all. When someone presses the call button above your seat, they'll come to see what your family needs. Airplanes even have small bathrooms on board if you need to wash your hands or use the toilet. If you're taking a long flight, maybe to another country, you can sleep on the airplane. They will give you a small pillow, a blanket, and make the lights inside the plane dim so you can sleep. One thing you might notice is that there is not a lot of room on an airplane. Everyone traveling is sharing the same space. So, here's a few tips I've learned along the way to make you a superstar airplane passenger. 1. Use your library voice. Maybe someone around you wants to take a nap. It's polite to talk in a whisper. You'll appreciate this too when you want to take a nap. Tip number 2. Be careful not to kick or push the seat in front of you. You may make the person in front of you uncomfortable. And here's another thing I've learned. One reason you might be asked to put your seatbelt on during the flight is if the captain notices that the ride might get bumpy. Even though you can't see air, it moves in waves and currents like water. When the airplane goes through a big wave of air, the plane can wiggle and bounce, just like a boat on the water. This is called turbulence. It might take you by surprise, but just like a boat, an airplane is built to surf those waves. When it's time to land, the captain will make an announcement and tell everyone to put their seat trays up, put their things away and fasten their seatbelts. The plane will start to descend or start going down to the earth. Your ears might feel kind of funny. Try yawning or swallowing. You could even maybe try chewing gum. As the plane lands, you'll feel a gentle bump as the wheels touch the ground, and you've made it to your destination. Flying might seem big and new, but it's really just a cozy ride through the sky. And now you know exactly what to expect. Adventure awaits!